Hello to you all and welcome to a new video. In today's video I would like to present this problem that a friend of mine had recently in the Roomba. The error in particular I found it hard to resolve on the internet or YouTube, so I want to spread the message. First of all, someday or another you switch on your Roomba and you get this sound from it.
Problem. See the app for help. Error 11.
This error occurs because this little part over here, which is just an engine, is broken. The only solution that I have found on the internet is to replace this entire cleaning head with a new one. This part can be purchased on Amazon and I will leave the links in the description down below. Now you have to remove the screws and proceed with the operation.